we'll be playing some Rainbow Friends. Yeah, Rainbow Friends. Let's get. Okay, now let me read now. Going on a field trip. Wow. What's the clap? What just happened? Oh yeah, chapter 1. My eyeballs. My eyeballs. Okay, now we're starting the damn game. Don't expect me as Jeffy. Like, I love Jeffy's videos. I watch them every single day on my Nintendo. Because the TV's, I don't know where the remote is, so I kind of just connect it to the TV. I love Jeffy's videos, though. Like, no cap, no clap, no snap, no chat. I love Jeffy's videos. The acting is so dang good. Okay, now I'm sure what happened. Wow, there's fire next to him. His hand did not get burnt, he's still white. And I'm black. So, racism discrimination, bro. Racism discrimination. Now I need to find 24 blockies. Blocky shockies. My block's fell over. Dang. What just happened? I ain't playing this game no more. Damn. Why did this happen to me? Just why me? It's not good. Okay. So let's play. I don't know what to play. I'm just gonna do the eeny meenies. Eeny meeny miny mo. Catcher, tiger by 12. If you ever go eeny meeny miny mo. I'm not playing that stupid game. I'm playing somewhere. What to play? Damn it. I'm just gonna play this. Like, there's nothing wrong with Red Cliff City, bro. Like, there's nothing wrong. Rage plays Red Cliff City. Not in Roblox, but in Minecraft, though. And on the TV right now, I can see them girlfriend on the board. What is this? Damn, is that real, bro? But yeah. What's here about you booty Oh my god! What is it? Oh my gosh. Thank goodness. I swear to God, if that was that girl, she'd be looking fine though. I'm just going to get some tools. You know me, I just need some tools to rob the van. Never mind. Good. Murder damn sound. Muhammad! You know what? Never mind. I'm just gonna pause this. I'll see you in chapter 2. Bye.